So let's see what we have here from the garden, the kind of fall, early fall kind of garden. As things, I frantically go out there and kind of collect the flowers before they get too wet or go away. So these are from one of my potted plants that I got for my birthday in May. These turned out really nice. I really like these colors, the dark greens and purples together. And these I put in and they were a little bit wet, so you can see they're sticky. I guess I didn't let them dry out enough. So we'll see if we can salvage them. But look at the back. So pretty. Okay. So, yeah. I'll make it work. I'm not a professional. Okay, what's next? Oh, these are some of these, the ones that the butterflies and the hummingbirds really like in my front yard. I forget what, I'm not going to be able to remember the flowers. I might put them in the sub or in the comments. Pretty little orange cone-like flowers I have in my front yard. All right, what's next? I tried to get as many as I could in this batch. Oh, ferns. I think these are called lady ferns. Aren't they pretty? So they have these dark stems. I don't know if you can see them. And these delicate little leaves on the ferns. They're very particular about where they like to live. I've found that they like containers more than being out in the yard. They're pretty delicate, but they're gorgeous. I think they'll be really neat in a project on paper in a frame. All right. Next are zinnias. So I collected a bunch of zinnia seeds and have been planting them throughout the late summer and fall and trying to collect them. So one thing about flower pressing, I haven't figured out how to get them from the front. So I tend to, when they get pressed, you can see it squishes down on the side. It's still pretty, but I'd like to kind of retain the vibrancy of the middle part of the flower, contrasted against the gorgeous petals. All right, next up. Oh, so this is a dahlia. One of those, oh no, did it get wet too? So a dahlia, marigold, I think, a zinnia. This is a kind of aster. I wonder if I can, where are my tweezers? So traditional asters, you know, are kind of a similar color, but this one, look at it. You see that? Let's see if I can get closer. So I found it at the local nursery. Kind of, I think they call them cultivars. Oh, just, they're really pretty. And they are actually still blooming, and it is late October. Let's see if we can get this. Peony. Nope. Okay, I'm going to have to work on that with the tweezers. Anyway. And another thing that I'm really enjoying as a layer to these art projects are the leaves, the different shapes of the leaves. You can see that in the ferns. I'm going to do a whole fern project. It's one of my favorite things being in the Pacific Northwest is that there are ferns everywhere. All right, and that is it. All right, there will be more to come, and I'll be documenting the projects that I make with them too. If you have any suggestions about how to glue them, that's one of the challenges I'm having, is what kind of glue to use. Thanks for watching.